Hello folks, and welcome along. So I've got something a little bit different today. I'm here at Thetford Forest for the This Motorcycle Club's Santon Downham Enduro event. This is where motocross bikes race against the clock really around the forest. They have a couple of special tests as well. But you can see there's a lot of bikes here. They have a maximum entry of 200 and the events are pretty well always oversubscribed. One thing you can say about these sort of events is it brings a lot of colour. The bikes come in so many different colours and patterns. It makes it for a nice interesting spectacle. So I'm doing a walk here through the pits so you can see the bikes. They're all lined up either side. Everybody's getting ready for the start. They start at 9 o'clock and I'm here now. It's about 8:30. As you can see, there's a lot of activity. So we'll carry on with the event. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks very much. Just a quick, polite request. If you're enjoying this video, please consider giving it a like. And if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, please also consider subscribing. You'll get notified of all the new content here and you'll be amongst the first to benefit from that. Also, I do offer channel memberships if you're able to consider something of those. That all helps me produce more content and hopefully get better at it. Thanks very much.